Have you ever wondered how to decorate pumpkins without using knives, carving tools, or dealing with a messy cleanup afterward? Looking for no-carve pumpkin ideas inspired by colorful paint, playful characters, glitter accents, stickers, fabric decorations, seasonal florals, metallic finishes, and creative Halloween themes? Curious how kids and adults can enjoy pumpkin decorating safely while creating beautiful seasonal displays that last for weeks? And wondering how to transform ordinary pumpkins into eye-catching decorations that look festive, creative, and unique without ever picking up a carving knife? Stay with us, because today we're exploring no-carve pumpkin ideas for kids and adults that are creative, fun, stylish, and perfect for fall and Halloween decorating. Why choose no-carve pumpkins instead of carved pumpkins? No-carve pumpkins have become increasingly popular because they are safer, cleaner, longer-lasting, and easier to customize. Without cutting into the pumpkin, you can avoid the mess of scooping and carving while creating decorations that stay fresh much longer. They are also ideal for families with children, classrooms, parties, and anyone who wants festive pumpkins without the extra cleanup. What are the easiest no-carve pumpkin ideas for beginners? Painted pumpkins, sticker decorations, ribbon accents, googly eyes, simple patterns, seasonal decals, and adhesive embellishments are excellent beginner-friendly projects. These ideas require minimal supplies and can often be completed in less than an hour, making them perfect for quick seasonal decorating. If you love creative fall and Halloween decorating ideas, like this video, and share it with someone planning pumpkin crafts this season. How can painted pumpkins create unique seasonal decor? Paint is one of the most versatile ways to decorate pumpkins. Solid colors, ombre effects, polka dots, stripes, florals, Halloween icons, abstract art, and hand-painted illustrations can completely transform an ordinary pumpkin. Whether you prefer bold Halloween colors or elegant autumn tones, painted pumpkins can match virtually any decorating style. What kid-friendly pumpkin decorating ideas are most popular? Children love creating pumpkins inspired by funny faces, friendly monsters, favorite animals, superheroes, princesses, cartoon characters, and colorful Halloween creatures. Using stickers, washable paint, craft foam, and simple accessories allows kids to personalize pumpkins while enjoying a safe and creative seasonal activity. Tell us in the comments your favorite no-carve pumpkin idea. How can pumpkins be decorated with stickers? Stickers offer one of the quickest and easiest decorating methods. Halloween-themed stickers featuring bats, ghosts, pumpkins, stars, moons, spiders, witches, and seasonal patterns can instantly transform a plain pumpkin. Alphabet stickers can also be used to create names, monograms, welcome messages, or festive seasonal phrases. What glitter pumpkin ideas work best? Glitter pumpkins add sparkle and glamour to seasonal displays. You can cover an entire pumpkin in glitter, highlight specific areas, create sparkling patterns, or add shimmering accents around stems and decorative details. Metallic glitter finishes often work especially well for elegant Halloween parties and sophisticated autumn decor. For more Halloween decor ideas, check out our full playlist in the description below. How can fabric and ribbon be used on pumpkins? Fabric and ribbon can instantly add texture, color, and personality to pumpkins. Decorative bows, lace accents, burlap wraps, velvet ribbons, patterned fabrics, and seasonal textiles can create rustic, elegant, farmhouse, or modern looks. These materials allow decorators to customize pumpkins without requiring any painting skills at all. What animal-inspired pumpkin decorations are fun to make? Animal-themed pumpkins are popular with both children and adults. Pumpkins can become owls, foxes, cats, ladybugs, spiders, unicorns, raccoons, hedgehogs, or almost any favorite creature using paint and simple craft supplies. These playful designs add personality and charm to seasonal displays. Subscribe for more seasonal decorating and DIY inspiration. How can floral pumpkins create elegant fall decor? Floral pumpkins are among the most stylish no-carve decorating trends. Faux flowers, greenery, autumn leaves, eucalyptus, dried botanicals, and seasonal blooms can be attached to pumpkins to create sophisticated centerpieces and porch displays. Floral pumpkins often transition beautifully from Halloween into Thanksgiving decorating. What Halloween-themed no-carve pumpkins are most popular? Ghost pumpkins, mummy pumpkins, vampire pumpkins, witch pumpkins, monster faces, black cat designs, spider-themed pumpkins, and classic Halloween character creations remain seasonal favorites. These themed pumpkins help capture the spirit of Halloween while remaining family-friendly and easy to create. Love these no-carve pumpkin ideas. Find similar decor items linked in the description below. How can pumpkins be personalized? Personalized pumpkins allow decorators to showcase creativity and individuality. Add names, initials, house numbers, family themes, favorite colors, seasonal messages, or meaningful artwork to create one-of-a-kind decorations. Personalized pumpkins also make wonderful gifts, party decorations, and holiday keepsakes. What no-carve pumpkin ideas work best for parties? Pumpkin decorating stations are a popular activity for Halloween gatherings and fall celebrations. Guests can create themed character pumpkins, decorate with stickers and paint, or participate in friendly decorating contests. These activities provide entertainment while also creating memorable seasonal decorations. Explore more fall and Halloween inspiration in our recommended videos listed in the description. How can adults create sophisticated no-carve pumpkins? Adults often gravitate toward elegant decorating styles that complement home decor. Neutral color palettes, metallic finishes, floral embellishments, geometric patterns, minimalist artwork, and monochromatic designs create refined seasonal displays. These pumpkins can look stylish enough for dining tables, mantels, entryways, and upscale autumn decorating. What small details make the biggest impact? Sometimes the smallest finishing touches create the most impressive results. Decorative stems, ribbons, metallic paint accents, layered textures, floral additions, coordinated accessories, and carefully chosen color palettes can instantly elevate a pumpkin design. These details help transform simple projects into polished seasonal decor. If you enjoy creative decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you create beautiful no-carve pumpkins on a budget? Creating beautiful pumpkins does not require expensive supplies. Basic craft paints, inexpensive stickers, recycled materials, fabric scraps, thrifted embellishments, and DIY decorations can produce stunning results. The most successful pumpkin designs often come from creativity, imagination, and thoughtful styling rather than large decorating budgets. No-carve pumpkin decorating is all about creativity, safety, and seasonal fun. By using paint, stickers, ribbons, florals, glitter, fabric, metallic accents, and imaginative themes, both kids and adults can create beautiful pumpkins without the mess and hassle of traditional carving. These projects offer endless opportunities to personalize seasonal decor, while creating decorations that often last much longer than carved pumpkins. Whether your style is playful, spooky, elegant, modern, farmhouse-inspired, or family-friendly, no-carve pumpkin ideas make it easy to celebrate fall and Halloween with creativity and confidence. From colorful character pumpkins and glittering Halloween designs to sophisticated floral arrangements and minimalist modern styles, these decorating ideas help transform ordinary pumpkins into memorable seasonal showpieces. If you enjoyed these no-carve pumpkin ideas for kids and adults, like this video and share it with friends looking for creative pumpkin inspiration. Tell us your favorite no-carve pumpkin design in the comments below. Explore our fall and Halloween decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more DIY decorating and seasonal styling ideas every week. Looking for more inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.